Remember, my name is Bojan Petreski. We'll be doing the 3D market commentary for today, Thursday. The disclaimer is there for your use, your understanding, and your protection. Please read it, understand it, and let's go ahead and get started with the session. All right, so this is what the 3D market commentary would look in your inbox here. The 3D approach. Um, you got the date here. So market climate. Why is it 3D? We got the market climate, buy and sell UFOs, and market volatility. Those are the three dimensions that we look at um, in uh, in our newsletter. The market climate, the market. Sorry about that. Let me just go ahead and turn it off. There we go. Market climate means the upcoming market direction, meaning should we be looking for long or short opportunities. Buy and sell UFOs, that's the unfilled orders, right? Those are the proprietary and patented technology that we're utilizing for upcoming turning points, meaning entries and exits. And then market volatility, which gives you the upcoming price change speed, meaning how quickly is the market expected to move given its current conditions. And should we be adjusting anything because of how the market's moving? All right, so the first one that we're going to look at here is the S&P 500. As you see over here, we have a down climate. It is confirmed. It's the second one out of 3 days that the market's been going down for, which is a surprisingly small number. But given how things have been trending, it's not so unexpected. We have a new sell UFO up here, 44.10 to 44.72. And we have a buy UFO well down below at 41.23 to 40.55.50. Based on the VIX, we are in elevated territory. We're at 21.92%. Daily expected move is 60 points. However, today and yesterday, we were kind of, these are looking very bearish candles, yet we're pushing a little higher. So we're going to see what's going to happen today. Again, as I said, today is the last day of September. Given that we were up here at the 4500s and now we're down at the 4300s, 200 point move down for the month. It's not so unexpected, but I think a lot of people were probably expecting something more. So if we were just to measure that move of how much it actually went, we can, where's the, just the distance, the percentage change. Trying to figure out the percent change, not the price range, middle range. Well, anyways, I was trying to figure out to see if I can get the percentage on that. There it is, 5.73 percent, which typically a 5% drop is sometimes of concern. We didn't close at that 5% area, but people definitely got scared once they saw that 5% down. All right, let's go ahead and move on to the next topic here, which is education. If you are looking to educate yourself, we offer futures, stocks, forex, backtesting, trading plans, and trading psychology courses. These are key to your understanding and your, quite frankly, success with trading. Having the proper understanding and knowledge. We offer a 3-month complimentary access to AutoUFOs along with any of the courses, and that in itself is worth the money. Definitely check it out. All right, next one is crude oil. So crude oil market climate is still up 6 out of 7 days. We don't have any sell UFOs. Buy UFOs, we have it at 71.48 to 69.39, which is this one right here. 35% on the OVX. As you see, we're looking pretty bearish for the day. Already pushing towards the lower range of yesterday. So if we break yesterday's low, we may see a little bit more of a downward move towards the UFO. No, as I said, no sell UFOs up above for crude. All right, now if you need the auto UFOs, if you need the software that we utilize, that is available for TradingView, TradeStation, and MetaTrader, along with our new recently released platform, which is Top. If you don't know what I'm talking about, please check out the September 24th, I believe it is, session. Or send us a quick email and I'll be more than glad to send it for you. We offer monthly or yearly memberships for the auto UFOs. All right, now the next one is gold. So here we are. Gold is still kind of pushing away from that 1800 UFO that we've spoken about so many times. It's a confirmed down climate, 11th out of the 7th day. So it wouldn't surprise me to see a bit of a bounce somewhere in this area, just to basically get that climate to either go to unconfirmed to give it a bit of a pause. But as of right now, as we're seeing, gold is just kind of going down in a nice. Well, I drew that a little too soon, but in a nice little channel there. Ignore the middle line, um, and pushing down. So right now, confirmed down climate, overextended. Sell UFO, same one above 1804.4, 1866. Buy UFO down below 6052.8 to 1624.4. Okay, just double check here something. Okay, we're looking good. All right, now if you need coaching or support, we apart from having our daily live trading sessions, we also offer one-on-one all asset advanced coaching. Um, that comes with that all-inclusive membership, or you can sign up for a monthly or a yearly membership. That's all available to you at this link right here. Okay, now let's go ahead with the dollar index. So market climate. Let's pull up the chart. Here we go. Wow. Okay, the dollar definitely popped off yesterday and the day before. I suspect it might have something to do with the Fed. We'll see. Current market climate is the 10th day out of typically 5. We're going up for. Sell UFO that it's approaching is at 95,375 to 94,775. And the buy UFO, the origin of that move, 93,495, 93,195. Based on EVZ, we're looking at 5.63% value, 0.34% daily expected move. All right, now if you don't want to read this overview in your inbox every day that's provided to you by our team, you're certainly more than welcome to join me here and my colleague Becky on YouTube every day, Monday through Friday, to go over these market commentaries. It's a quick, short session, and then obviously, if you do have any questions, you can always type them in the chat. We'll be more than glad to get those answered to the best of our ability and in the amount of time that we have. All right. Last but definitely not least is Bitcoin. All right. So we are looking like it is still a down climate. It's the 10th day that it's been going down for, which for Bitcoin in itself is an extended amount of time. Right now, we are looking pretty bearish on Bitcoin, but it looks like we're having quite a nice pop here on from the 40,000s area, looking like it wants to hold. So we're gonna see if we're gonna see maybe some extended move as long as we close above these up here, the 45,000 area, which is where it had a hard time from, right there. We should be good. Obviously we have these highs here that we got to challenge. But I think if that happens to be the case, then we have the upper here, the auto UFOs, giving us a couple of stepping stones, but quite in between here. Bitcoin 57,975 to 54,500, 32,820 to 31,615, where the auto UFOs are. And look at this, 88% on the volatility. Expected move is already 23.99. Market, obviously, Bitcoin trades, around the clock, but currently, as of right now, even though it's had a high of 43,622, it's already moved $2,300. Okay, so and the day technically for the U.S., the trading day for the U.S. has not started, right? So, all right. So if you're interested in anything that we said over here and have some questions, please schedule a clarification call. To go over any of the courses, apps, coaching, or memberships offers that we have. That would be of your import. Okay, so today, Thursday the 30th, we had GDP in Britain, the CPI in Europe, and then we have GDP already posted in the US, and then a couple of holidays in China, and the Tenkan Large Manufacturing Index coming up later. All right, folks, thank you so much for joining me today. Hope you had a good time during this session, and I hope to catch you soon. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.